Presenting a pre-owned 2013 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include cold weather package, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, CD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, keyless entry, power windows, OnStar, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.